Hey folks, I have a new project hidden inside the van here. '84 BMW K100. Hasn't run for 7 years. I'll tell a lie, the guy has started it up occasionally. It hasn't been on the road since 2010, so yeah, about 7 years. Yeah, brakes are shot, batteries had it. Yeah, not 100% sure what I'm going to do yet. Going to be another cafe racer build, that's for sure. Full strip down. I don't know if the camera will pick this up. Only 39,977 kilometers. 666. So yeah, very tidy. My last build with the XV, I really didn't go into much detail with the videoing. I tended just to video the finished product. So this one I'm going to go into a lot more detail of what I've done, what I'm doing, mistakes I've made, things I've bought. Yeah, this one's not going to be a quick build. It's going to take a year. I'm limited by budget and just, yeah, time really. Thing today is to get it out of the van by myself somehow and onto the little work platform here, and yeah, just give it a going over. Pretty tidy though. So it came with the touring pannier things here, but I'm probably just going to biff those or chuck them for sale. Let's see what happens. Got a couple of spare fairing bits, I don't know if they'll come in handy. But what he did give me was this book, which is fantastic because I was going to buy one of these. And it's the hardcover one, so yeah, very good. Okay, so I've managed to get it in here and up on my little platform. It's heavy. I thought the XV was heavy, but man, this thing is just on another level. It's really heavy. What I did notice is I have absolutely no back brake whatsoever. I believe this cable here is the speedo sensor, and we've got a little broken wire there, so that's no problem. I'll check the oil, fluid levels. I'll get all this fairing taken off. Yeah, have a look at the oil, have a look at the water. I know the batteries had it. I might throw another battery in there, just see if it turns over. And yeah, see what happens after that. You have it, she's a bit more stripped down. Well, if you ask me, it's looking a heck of a lot better already. Just got to get these pannier brackets off. Oh, the size of that exhaust pipe. Sheesh. Okay, well I'll leave it at that for this video. Got a fair bit of crap stripped off the bike. I think it looks a lot better. Kind of want to reuse these old clocks, eh? I think they look pretty cool, and it would help with the wiring issues. I would love to have tried to start it, but the battery's absolutely had it and it's not holding a charge, so I've got to get a battery from somewhere. I was going to try and take one off of the XV, but it's just too much hassle. I'll get a cheap battery, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.